Today, we're going over step 16 of the 28-point furnace inspection and tune-up. Step 16 is to evaluate the supply and return plenum integrity. So this is really, really important. When we pull the air out of your home to heat it or cool it, and then send it back into the home, either with the heat removed or heat added to it, the plenum is where everything starts. It's a distribution box for your duct system. Usually you can see one of the two attached to the equipment and you can't see the other one, depending on what orientation your furnace is in. We want to make sure the supply plenum, if it's a downflow, doesn't have rust, doesn't have water from your air conditioner, and doesn't have any holes, because then we're just sending hot air underneath your home, and we don't want to heat and attract the critters to come underneath your house, because that could be a mess in itself. We want to make sure all the ductwork is nice and thoroughly attached to that plenum, so that when we send the air out into the ducts again, we're not leaking air out. It's been proven by the state of California, PG&E, Title 24, and many other places that the average home leaks 30% of their conditioned air to an unconditioned space. Now think about that. You got an 80% efficient furnace, so you're losing 20 cents of every dollar to the flue pipe. Now you've got a duct system, and let's say it's just average, and it's leaking 30%. That means your furnace is only 50% efficient if it's running at peak efficiency, because you get your maintenance done every year like you're supposed to. So now every dollar you put into your heater that you're giving to PG&E to heat your home, you're getting 50 cents on the dollar. That's $50 on 100, that's $500 on 1,000. So essentially you're throwing away 50% of your money because we're not checking out plenums and return and supply to make sure that they're in great integral shape. We really don't want you to spend that much money with PG&E. We don't want you to be uncomfortable in the home. We don't want to draw in contaminants from under your home or your attic because these things are leaking and putting them into your home. Your health is super important, and of course we don't want to pay PG&E. That's frustrating. This is why your furnace maintenance and inspections are so important to get done on an annual basis every year before you start using it. See you on the next video.